how to delete Telegram account permanently. So if you want to delete your Telegram account permanently, then first you just need to open up your Telegram application if you have your application, or you can go with the search Chrome browser, and then you just need to go with the search and search for Telegram deactivation page. Once you've searched here, you will have authorization Telegram. So simply click on that option, and here you will get this kind of interface, which is delete account or manage apps. So it will take you to the delete account page. So under this page, you need to simply enter your phone number with the international format. So simply add plus and your country code, and then enter your number. Once you've added your plus and country code, then add your number and then go with next. And once you click on next, it will ask you to enter the confirmation code. So you've received the confirmation code to the number that you've just entered. So enter the confirmation code here and then go with sign in, which is here on the middle. And once you click on sign in, you'll be able to delete your Telegram account permanently. So that's how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. Thanks.